Guys, is my voice clear to you? Screen visible, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's a continuation to the previous class. Okay. We discussed about yesterday all item creation and on-hand quantity creation, sales order creation, booking also. 4 steps completed. Now, again, we'll create item today quickly, then on-hand quantity. It's like a revision kind of thing. If anything is missed, we can cover. Okay. I'll focus on today table, joining tables, with the proper common columns, common column values, all this. So first you have to go with this login. If you feel this login is, if you don't know this login, what you can do, you can go to Toad. There is a table here. The table name is here, ICX parameters. This is the table name. Automatically, a URL will be there here. This is the URL. You can take and use any Explorer, any browser, we can say Explorer, Firefox, anything is fine. Okay. I am just logging with my user. Yesterday, this is a user I created. Only limited responsibility, not like operations user. So you practice with your own user only. If you face any issues and all, we'll let you know. Okay. Now, straight away, the first step here, again, item creation. We have to go with the inventory vision operations, item master items. This is called as a navigation. And certain item attributes we have to enable, that also you need to remember. First step is here is inventory employee. Click on this, items, master items. Now you can go to V1 first because V1 is a master organization. You can create your item here. Item numbering also we can give like code, let's say laptop 00. Code I am giving. Only number also we can give like 6767, let's say. This is the Dell laptop identifier. i7 processor and 1 terabyte hard disk. This is a specification you can enter. Save. So after creating an item, immediately you should not forget that enabling attributes. In inventory, certain attributes required. Go to inventory tab. Enable attributes. The step here is enable item attributes. Navigation is very simple. Items and master items. And enabling attributes. Instead of enabling manually, what we have to do, copy from template. Copy from template. Okay. So stackable, transactable, inventory item. These are all the checkboxes. So how to inherit from template here is tools. Then we can use copy from. There are various templates. These templates, functional consultants, they will design. For ATO model, one business process will be there. For finished goods, another business process. Whatever we are enabling in safety items, the same checkboxes we may not use in purchase item template like that. So based on the business functionality, they will go. That is not our risk. Okay. So right now I am using here purchased. This is a item. It's an item template here. So the moment we click on apply, whatever the purchased item template having all the properties enabled, it will be inherited here automatically. So this enabling checkboxes manually we have to avoid. We have to use apply. Not only in the inventory, entire tabs in the your inventory module is integrated with work in process, order management, service module, purchasing module, bill of material. These are all modules actually. So right now, if you go to purchasing, this is also enabled. If you go to order management, these are all enabled checkboxes. These are all called as the restrictions actually, item restrictions. We can call it as an item attributes also. Save. After saving, the next step is if you want to access this particular item, go to tools, organization, assignment. If you want to query, then M1, control F11, assign, save. So while creating item, we did two extra steps. One is what it is, tools, organization, assignment. Another one is copy from. These are all two extra steps we have to do. After creating an item, then we need to create a second step here. That is on-hand quantity. On-hand quantity means your stock. So physical stock we can enter into the system. So how to enter here is we have to go to first change the organization. Right now we are in V1, right? Change the organization. Then you have one. Go here, transactions, miscellaneous transaction here, miscellaneous, here, miscellaneous receipt. There are so many. You can choose whatever you wanted. If you are returning anything, return to inventory, goods, returning, at that time we can use. But here it is miscellaneous receipt here. So fixed you can take it. White fields are optional here. Only yellow fields are mandatory. Okay, and gray fields are not in our control. The gray fields are not there. In every form, there are three types of fields here: yellow field, white field, and gray fields. Yellow fields are mandatory. If you don't allow this, it will not allow you to save. Okay. Transaction lines. Here also, everywhere yellow fields are mandatory. Your item, just before I created item, sub inventory. As of now, available quantity is 0. Then FGI, you can use. Stores, we can use. Stores. Then quantity, let's say 500 laptops we are creating. And here it is miscellaneous. Say, that's it. To verify the on-hand quantity, here itself we can use on-hand availability, on-hand quantity. Okay. Click on find availability 500. So these steps we already covered yesterday, item creation, on-hand quantity. Now the third one here is add item to the price list. Price list. This is the third step it is. Yesterday we have not covered this. Price list, why it is required here is it's like a catalog menu. Laptop, how much? So if you go to order management here, order management, order return sales order. One price list is already attached here. This is a price list. Like mouse $50, laptop $400, like that it is. Just a catalog with the prices. So this price list, we have to include your item, we have to include here. So where you can include here is there is a separate responsibility needed here. Separate responsibility. That is Oracle Pricing Manager, but that is not there in this list. If any responsibility, if you feel it is not there here, you can add. How we can add here is security, user define. You can query with your particular user and you can add over here simply. You can add a number of responsibilities. So that is Oracle pricing. When spelling mistakes are there, it won't come here. Oracle Pricing Manager Global. So there are many other responsibilities with the like pricing manager, like global pricing, process operations. These are all for different purposes. But right now you have to use this one. Oracle Pricing Manager. This is a separate module. Advanced pricing, quality pricing, we can say. Same. As you have a system administrator, you can do anything. You can disable also. If you don't want to use this particular responsibility tomorrow onwards, then simply you can end date it. If you end date it tomorrow onwards, it won't be useful. This you cannot enter. You cannot delete, guys. You can end date only. Whatever the responsibility you added, you cannot delete from here. Only you can end date here. These are all called as effective dates. Save. So after saving, you have to see the confirmation at the bottom, whether it is really saved or not. Now go back to your newly added responsibility, that is Oracle Pricing Manager. Click on this, price list setup, F11. This is the existing price list. For this price list, you have to add your item. To add it, you can use control down arrow. Then, if you want to populate the previous row field, shift F5 we can use. Shift F5, see? You can easily, quickly populate. And here your item is 6767. How much is the laptop price? Let's say it is $450. I'm entering. Save. That's it. So you can include discounts, everything here. Now go back to order management. Order returns, sales orders. Whenever you create a sales order, the price will be populated automatically. If you go to line items, 6767. So this price, $450. This I have not entered manually. That is derived by using this price list. In the price list, we included your newly created item. That is just a default price. Okay, if you want to modify to $550 here, you can modify. No one will, disturb you. You can add here. Now save this. After creating a sales order, next step is book order. Order has been booked. So this is where yesterday we stopped. Order entry and booking. Okay. Now this is the newly we discussed here newly add item to the price list. Let's see now. Next steps. Quick release and shipping we have to do. For that, what you have to do is copy the sales order. Go to shipping, release sales order, release sales order. Here is the place we have to use standard. Your order number. Back in. Execute now. This is the way we can do simply. Whatever you're seeing, this is not an error. It is just a note for your awareness. Quick release online has ended with a warning. Please check the shipping exceptions report. So you can see the reports already submitted by default. These are all the programs. Quick slip report, shipping exceptions, auto pack. Just see the output. So this is this printout. They will take a printout here. Whatever you are saying, this report, and they will straight away go to warehouse. Who will go to straight away warehouses? Go down people only. They will go to warehouse M1 and they will pick here a laptop, 4 quantity, and this is for sales order 70529, and this is the delivery ID, courier number we can say. In our terminology, it's a courier number. And to where they need to deliver, which location. So that location here is here only mentioned. And customer quantity is AT&T, customer name. And how they will courier. So the courier is here is DHL. So DHL is the way of courier. Okay. So this pick slip report, who uses? Who uses is warehouse department. Warehouse, the moment order is booked, okay, they will take this particular printout and they will verify all information like how much quantity, what is the move order number, from where to where they are moving. If they feel stock is not available, then they will do some adjustments. Otherwise, it will become a back order kind of thing. Okay. Now the next step will be here is shipping. So shipping, what you can do here only, here shipping transactions here. There is an option transaction. Earlier I went to release sales order. Now it is transactions. And enter your order number. Fine. Go to delivery tab. Here delivery. See, if you look at here, ship confirm is disabled here. So we need to give a grants here, then only ship confirm will be enabled. Shipping grants, permissions. So every person, if they don't have ship confirm enabled, they cannot deliver this, correct? So every person can, they should not do ship confirm. Shipping the goods only, few persons only, authorized persons. So this is called as a grants, we can say shipping grants. Where we can do is here only, in order management only. Control L we can press. Grants. Here is a shipping grant. Because I don't know the navigation. I cannot expand each and every menu where it is shipping grants. It will take a lot of time for me. See, shipping where it is here. I can go. Are there any grants here? No. Then it's a lot of time, right? It will take. Yeah, here it is. Grants. This is see how much time killing it is. So to know, if you don't know the navigation, any responsibility, the simplest shortcut is Control L. It will give you all the list of functions. Now you can search like this. You can simply choose. Navigation, you don't need to by heart. In the same way, if you want to create a sales order, Control L, sales order. It's best option, I feel. See, sales orders. It will open directly. If you don't know order return, sales order navigation, this is the best option. Okay, shortcut it is. Now grants. User, for which user you wanted to give a grant, you have to enter a username here. And role is here. There are so many. Let's bill of lading you can use or freight. Full access I'm giving. That also we can do. Bill of lading is fine. For which organization you wanted to give? Which organization? M1. Then, yeah, that's enough. Edit role, if you wanted to do, you can edit it. Like these are all the check boxes, line numbers. Anyway, these are all predefined. You don't need to touch anything. Okay. Save. Now go back and try to see whether it is enabled or not. Shipping, transactions, order number, fine. Delivery tab. See, these buttons are enabled. Earlier, these were not there. So if ship confirm is disabled, what you need to do? We have to give a grants, shipping grant, ship confirm. Click on OK. You will get a message saying that delivery was successfully confirmed. So that is the way we can perform all the 4 steps here. So in the next class, we'll see AR invoice, but these are all the 4 we have to talk about here. Now let's see technically how many tables we'll use. These are all little easy to understand. If you feel difficult, let me know. Okay. So the first step is order entry, correct? So take the order number here. Order returns, sales orders. F11. Go to help and record history. Wherever you keep here, see if I keep cursor and check same OER address only. Or if I keep here, check the table, OER address view only. V is a view actually. OER address view, which is based on order table, price list table, salesperson table, currency table, customer number table, location table, all tables they mixed and they created a view on top of it. So how to identify what are the underlying tables? Simply you can go to Toad, keep a view, that view. How to know the view name? Help record history. Take this view, click on this F4. That's it. You click on script here, click on script here. There. You can see all the tables behind this. You go to the front class, these are all the tables. So if you wanted this order number, you can see what table will be there here. This is the table. And if you wanted to display customer name, then there is a other table. Like location, there will be other location here, this one. For each and every field, there will be tables already used. But we don't need to use all these tables. Whatever you wanted, let's say your customer will ask you, I wanted to display sales order number, okay, customer name, customer number, customer name. These three fields only. For so and so customer, how many sales orders are there? They wanted to identify. Only three fields. So how to derive is very simple. You go to first top, search with the order number here. Order number. Why order number here is? The column is order number only here. Go to diagnostics, examine. This is the column. So this column, I am searching into this particular view. So Control F, order number. This is just a view title, like title means here this column. But actual column will be there in the table. So F3, this is the actual column.
1 second, sir.
Yeah.
How did we get this code? Did we click on that app's deorder headers?
You can see script here. So there is a script option.
Okay. I mean, how do we come to this page? I mean, we click on the.
We first
We,
place the cursor here,
okay.
press F4
Okay.
and script.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay, here is the place. So we have to search with the order number. Order number it is F3. You can see. This is the actual select statement behind this. So I need to copy this h.order number. Select this one from which table? H table only. This is a table alias. H is the table alias. Alias means another name of a table. You can come here. H stands for this one. Just copy on. That's it. I'm taking here order number column from OE orders headers. Now next is customer number I wanted. Customer number where it is available here. This one. So this is an account number actually. Account number. Customer number is showing here. Just search. Same story. Everything. Control home you can go. Control F. Enter. This is a customer number. But actually it is a title. To see this customer number next available F3. So customer number is alias name, but actual column is account number. Okay. This is just a alias name here. So take this, keep it over here, second column, comma, second column it is. So whenever you take a second column, what you have to do is the second column, this alias we have to add cust account. It is a table alias. That is also, it will be available here only. You need to go to cust account. These are all table aliases we have to check. This is the table alias. Copy this. So two tables are there here is, one is OE ordered headers, other one is edget cust accounts. Cust account is alias. Alias means another name of a table. But between these two, there must be a common column, that is a join condition. H dot, you can see this is this one condition. You take this query, go to Toad, minimize this, minimize. I minimized here, so it is available here only. After minimize, select star from copied already. Star means all the columns, but I'm taking few columns here. Control enter. You may get some issues like missing expressions. These are all because of extra commas or commas not there. Okay. Right now it is not giving data. The reason is this is also a view. So if you look at here, view doesn't hold data. We have to use underscore alt every year. Underscore alt. Take this. If you use underscore alt, it will give you the data. So for which order number you are looking? 70529. Correct? This one. This is called as a hard coding. Hard coding is restriction. H dot order number. So you can enter over here. You can see for order number 70529, 1005 is a customer number. Okay, these two. The next one is we are going to derive customer name. So to derive the customer name, there is another field is available here. You can maximize this. That is called as a party name here. Party name. Let's see. Party name. Sold to is the other alias. You can mention customer name as an alias. Alias is your choice. So take party name. This one. The third column I'm copying. Party stands for another table. It is. You can maximize party. You can see somewhere. Edget parties. This one. Okay. Copy this particular table. This is the third table I'm copying. Now there will be a join between these two now. Earlier I made a join between these two. Now the join between these two we have to add. There is no straight relation between OE or header solve edget parties. The join you have to give like this only, because like this only they already designed the database. So first between these two join, this is a cust account ID. Now next is between these two tables. So that how we can identify is here only. Party.cust account joins. These two I am going to join here. Check the join condition here. Somewhere here you can check one by one. One by one you can check like this. This is the one. Okay, all are here only. Only you have to spend time initially. Now,
One second, sir. How do we get to know we have to choose this particular thing only? I mean, in that big code, how are we choosing this head says account, customer account, head said
yeah,
party?
between these two, right?
Yeah,
Party and cust account we are looking. Okay, just check from here. Is it a party and cust account? No. Then go to the next line. Go to the next line like this one.
Okay.
Or else you can search here. Cust account. You can search, that is better. See,
Okay.
it is going to this particular point. Correct?
Okay.
Now next this one. Searching only. Control F you can use.
I mean, I'm not sure how are we exactly choosing that particular line itself, because there are n number of parties and n number of
Correct,
custom
correct.
accounts
So
there.
what we have to do is we have to search with the party. Okay, if you wanted to know party name, what you have to do? So party name is belongs to a table here party. Now go to the from class. Go to the from class. Check where is the party. This is not a party. This is not a party. Correct? Here it is.
Okay, okay,
382. Just searching only.
okay. Now there is party sold party as well. Why can't we choose that?
Party sold party. Where it is?
The next fifth line
Line,
from there.
line
From
number.
there, from HCS parties party, the
387 line
387.
number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 387. This is a sold party. If you want to display the sold related,
Okay.
whoever selling. So at that time it is required. Otherwise, party is enough.
Okay.
Okay. So edged parties they have used here for multiple purposes. One is
Okay.
party related, other one is sold to related. Next time check invoice party, ship
Okay.
party,
Okay.
correct? Invoice party, like that it is. You can choose anything. Only see if you need a customer, you can go with the edged parties. You forget about aliases. Aliases why it is required is if you want to display invoice related customer, ship to related customer, at that time same table only they will use with the different aliases. Okay.
Okay.
Alias name is different, table is same only. So whenever you wanted a customer, what you can do, you can go with the edged parties straight away.
Okay.
Now you can fire this query, control enter. If you see any error here, like invalid table name, invalid expression, these are all because of extra table columns, comma values we can say. See here, extra comma is there, right here. This extra comma we have to remove. Otherwise, it will give an error saying that invalid table. Table is right only, but the problem is it's additional comma that you have to remove. Control enter. So now it's given. So whatever you are seeing here, customer name we derived, order number we derived, next is customer number, location, price list, state, everything we can derive like this only. So once you prepare a query, shift control F we have to use. This is for formatting, alignments. So this is the finalized query for these three fields, whatever we discussed. Okay, sales order number, customer name it is. One second, guys. Okay. Creating sales order, booking, these are all okay. Anyone can do simply. It's easy. See, you can go to order return sales order. Then after that, whatever the values are there here, it's hardly 30 seconds job. Correct. 6767 quantity save book order. That's it. Not even 30 seconds. Correct. So you need to prepare a query to display whatever the fields are appearing. So how to derive is again I'm repeating all. First step is you need to go to help. This is the first step. Record history. Copy the table name. V means view it is. Now second step is what it is. Go to the tool. You just open one editor like this. These are all editors simply. One extra notepad. Then second point is what it is. Keep the cursor, paste it, press F4. If it is not opening, you have to use function button also. After that, you have to go to script here. Now, third step is copy the column names, whatever you wanted, and copy the table names under a from class. and copy the where conditions. That's it. All copy paste only. So first we'll search the first column here, order number, let's say. I wanted to know order number where it is stored and under which table. Go to help here, diagnostics, examine. So column name is order number. Take this order number, just Control F only. Control F, order number. Okay. Actually, whatever it is showing here, it's a view heading only, column heading, but not an actual column. Press F3. So this is the actual column. And H is what it is. It's a table alias. Order number is the actual column which is stored in the table. So simply copy this H dot order number. So first what you have to do, select. We are selecting H dot order number column from H is a table alias here that we need to check here from class here. H stands for what it is. You have to go line by line initially. If you are new to this module, next time you can straight away type it. OER-. That's it. This is the first column. Now second column is what it is. I wanted this account number. Actually, it is a customer number, but it is a party customer account number here. Take a customer number. Go to home, Control F. It is a heading, right? We need another value. This is another column it is showing, but it's not correct. To see the next available value, F3. So this is the column which we wanted. Copy. Keep it over here as a second column. The moment we add a second column, it is getting derived from another table. So H table is already there, but cust account table is not there. So I need to copy cust account also. Go to from class. Yeah, cust account you can search in this particular table list. Here it is there. Take this. The moment we add second table in the from class, join is also needed in the where class. Where join between H and cust account. See that. You tell me the line number. Go from 406 onwards.
416 cust account party ID, party ID.
That is H, no?
Yes. This one.
H, okay.
H, yeah.
416 no.
Hmm?
Right now we are talking about H and cust account, right?
Cust account is
This 415.
415.
Yeah. You need to remember all this. Sold to org ID, cust account ID. If you practice 2-3 times, you can remember easily. Okay. Now what next? We wanted third column. Third column is this one. This is a party actually. Here it is showing here. Sold to. Sold to. That is a customer. Can go up again. Party name also. Have you seen like in the front end application? The field name is here what it is? Sold to. So I am taking this only. To whom you are selling. Sold to means to whom you are selling. Third
So
column.
again, it's another table, right, sir?
Yeah, that is aliases we can
Yeah,
take.
part.
For self join, you can take multiple tables with a different aliases. But part customer name is available into party only.
Okay.
So go to party. There it is here. Take this. Third table. Clear? Now between these two only join will be there. There is no join between OER headers and edged parties. As an intermediary, edged cust account is there. Between these two join condition, here only I'm searching. You have to search here party and cust account join condition. So you tell me guys where exactly it is. You take time, no worries. Join between two tables we are looking, party and cust account.
Four 16.
416.
Yeah.
Correct. 416. So we'll work on it today, okay? Don't feel that it's too tough. It's easy. We'll get interest also. That's it, your query is ready. Okay. You copy all this query, whatever you pasted. Alignment is needed, right? Alignment. Alignment shortcut is just select all this, Shift Control F. See, yesterday we tried to note down some shortcuts, correct? Here, code shortcuts. Now tell me what we missed here. Therefore, we have discussed Shift. Yeah, for formatting. Query.
And F3, what is that F3 for? Searching.
3 is for searching to see next available value.
Okay.
That's for F3. Yeah. After formatting, you can control enter. It is not giving data. Why is OE order headers is a view still. View doesn't hold data definition wise. So you have to use, if you go script again, view behind, what is there? And go to again from class. This is the table, see, underscore all. All means all operating units data. So your company is having 100 branches. All 100 branches data, there is a single table. That's why they introduced this concept here, underscore all. That is called as a multi-arg table. Okay. Instead of OER headers, what should I do? I need to use underscore all. These are all operating unit related table. You cannot see edged cust accounts underscore all, edged parties underscore all. No. These are all customer related only. You will not have underscore. These are all not arg or operating unit specific. Only OER headers will have a underscore all. Okay. Now the data is there here. If you are looking for a specific order number, h dot order number is equivalent to your order number. This is the order. This is your record. Okay. Clear? So second time I revised. Now you need to clear how to prepare a query. Now slowly I'll add up some more. Okay. I want to display here line items. I need to display quantity, selling price, 2 columns additionally. So then one more table I'm going to add, that is OE order line solve. So here is a place. There is another table that is OE order line solve. OL or as it is a line table, we can take simply line also. But I follow this method OOL and here also OOH I'll take. People by seeing the alias name, they can come to know which table it is. And here also I am just changing. Alias names I have changed everywhere. Now, whenever you take a lines table, there will be a join between these two. Header table, lines table. That's a header ID. F4 here, header ID. How I can come to know if I am new to this order management module? As usually, you have to go to ETRM. Every table you can search if you are new, okay? Once you get a confirmation, then you don't need to come down here. OE order header solve. I'm showing you the primary key here, see? Primary key, unique identifier for every order. Why header ID is introduced is to make a join with another table. Order number is different, header ID is different here. User-friendly identifier for a order. Every column they have gave a description here. If you wanted to know more, click on this. Then OE order lines out. Now tell me the join condition. Here only they mentioned. Two tables. OE order header solve, OE order line solve, join is header ID. So Oracle only given the straight away what is the join between these two tables. Usually the first table primary key, OE order header solve primary key is the join only, header ID. So if I want to give join condition here, what should I do? On two tables I'm combining, header table, line table. OOH dot primary key. What is the primary key here? Correct, header ID is equivalent
So
to.
may I know why is that OH or OOL?
That is the alias it is. See, every time if I want to make a join here, I cannot type here OE order lines or it's a big, right?
Okay, okay.
That's why alias name. It's called as
Okay.
alias. Alias means another name of a table
Okay.
or another name of a column. For next references, I can go with the short name. Okay, like this. So if I wanted to refer any column from here, then simply we can use OL dot quantity. So which quantity it is? We have so many quantities here. Ordered quantity we wanted. Diagnostics, examine ordered quantity. Just press the dot and leave 2-3 seconds. It will come up all the columns here. So ordered quantity, like this. The same way, OL dot price. Price, I don't know what is the column name. Go to diagnostics, examine. Unit selling price. So click on this. Unit selling price. So like this. 3 quantity, 450 price. Now I don't know the item. Okay. For which item this quantity? I have to add item table also. Item table is what it is, this item. Where exactly I created item? In inventory module, right? What is the table name we discussed yesterday for item? Yesterday, last class. Last class, 2 table only we discussed. Do you remember? Table name. Item table. On hand quantity table. Item table you forgot? Yes. Table name is item. You can go to inventory. Your items, last item.
MTL system items.
Correct. That is a table name. Yesterday, whatever we discussed, that is available here. All items are available into single table, that is MTL. MTL means material, short form it is. MTL system item.
Some items.
B it is, it's not a FEL. Okay, if you go inside of this view, item based table is MTL system items B only. Do you remember like primary keys of that particular tables? MTL system items B. Shortcut is MSI. There are 2 columns we discussed. Inventory item ID. Other one is
Organization.
assignment ID. Add here. Now you may get doubt. We added item table. With which table we have to make a join? Is that the cost account table, party table, header table? Wherever item is used in order number, Go to order management, sales order, query with your order. Where is the item mentioned here? Not at header level. Obviously, header table, you don't need to make a join. Your item is available at line level only. See, line. So you need to make a join with the line table only. So here, the additional join is between two tables. What are they? OE order lines of MTL system items B. So tell me what is the primary key here? Primary key of item table, inventory, item ID. That will be available here in the sales order line table also. Check inventory item ID is there. The same way organization ID. Organization ID is equivalent to OOL dot organization ID. If organization ID is not there, you can go with the org ID also. Or destination organization ID. We need to check. So check OE order lines of, is there any org ID related columns? Organization ID related? You have to check here. There are more than 200 columns. So invoice to org ID. This you can use. Anything related to original inventory item ID, original, no, these are all different. Okay, we'll check here. If you get any doubt, go to record history, OE order lines, V. OE order headers we have seen, OE order lines we know. We will have all the tables. I'm just putting here. So, yes.
Use of item in our you have to write the purchase item and goods.
Yes.
What's the difference between
Those are all templates actually. If you are purchasing any items, what are the necessary attributes required? So purchased item is different. Finished good is that is for selling. Your laptop is finished good. For selling some properties, for purchasing some properties will be there, right? So that items they will enable actually. So where they will enable here is
when we use purchase item?
purchase item whenever you are purchasing the goods. Goods, yeah, purchasing goods or service in P2P cycle. Simply you remember in O2C we can use finished good. In P2P you can use purchasing. Yeah, so because it has all common properties. So what you can do, you can simply take your item. Okay, you can go to here also item master items will be there here. See, you can go to, you don't need to go inventory again here. Switching is difficult, right? Every time. You can go to items, master items. Same only they have referred over here. Switching you can avoid. So F11. So you can apply copy from, you can apply finished good also. Some additional extra attributes they have enabled. See, apply. These are all costs, everything they have enabled here. What we require is for this item, just basic things. Basic things means here is purchased, purchasable, and after that, this customer order, shippable, whatever, only few fields, few attributes enough for us. That's why I took a purchased. You can go with another template also. See, there are so many templates here. So I can go with the ATO model also. Or if your project is on lease management, building lease or any other tractors, bulldozers and all. So at that time, the flow itself different. Then you can go with the lease items. Like that, see. At that time, you may face some errors because these are all not relevant, correct? So what you can do, you can go with the finished good for O2C or purchased item template. So this templates where it will be called. You can first close this. you can go to setup part. You can define your own template also. Setup items. You see a template. Whatever purchased item template, finished good template and all, you can create your own also here. See, I can create my own template with my own restrictions. If I want to enable as per the flow, only few attributes we can do. Say, for example, here, this ATO item status is not checked. If you go with another, see, did you observe here? Asset group template is having checked here, like that. So based on the functionality, they will enable and disable these attributes.
We can update
Existing template also. You can go with this. Actually, if you want to check this checkbox, if they are protected this, then you will get an error here saying that, see, field is protected. So these are all comes under functional people, the setup part. The whole setup part, predefined values, enabling, disabling, restriction. There will be dedicated team in the companies. Those are all called as a functional. They are part of our team only, but their duty is that only. They will go deeply with the functionality. Our duty is simply table name, join condition, where the data is going, where the data is coming, kind of. Okay. Anyway, now you can go here. One join we are talking about, that is script join between OE order line solve and other one is MTL system items P. Check. Is there a MTL system items P table mentioned here? Okay, we queried for so many are there. I'm closing all this to avoid confusion. Okay. So, script. Any item related table, guys, here, check. We can check manually or Control F, you can use it. Item related. MTL parameters is there, right? F4. Organization, you can take it. No item table mentioned, right? That's fine. We go with the R guide. It's working. And then what else you wanted? Item. Item is stored into segment one, correct? Yesterday we have seen that column name. If that item is getting derived, we have to check this item. This is item table. And this one is order header table, line table, the customer table, customer account table. Overall, 5 tables we have. Okay. So you please focus on this query preparation today. So the entire query I can simply type also like this. Select from jet parties. I don't go to all ETRM at all because I practice a number of times. You also must be habituated like this. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. Simply I'm typing here without saying anything. These are all just practice only. And you can see the customer name, party name, account number. Okay, then after that sales order table, I need to add the OE order header solve. OS typing speed also required, guys. Now tell me the join condition. SCA dot primary key. First account ID is equivalent to OH dot column name sold to ARG ID, right? There are so many sold to columns, but ARG ID is the join condition. And next one is what it is. Sales order line table, that is OE order line solve, OL, whenever you add another table between these two, first table primary key, that is OOH dot header ID, that is equivalent to OOL dot header ID. If I want column names here, order number, after that OOL dot ordered quantity. See, I'm not going anywhere, simply I'm typing, correct? These are all, if you practice 5-6 times, it will come automatically. That's it. If any commas extra, you have to check. Like this. Yes. So this is the way you need to prepare a query. Don't feel say everyday backend is very, very tough. It's easy only. Okay? Sit. To understand this query, how we have done is simply order returns, sales order. First query with the order number. Then go to help, record history, copy this particular table. Okay. Go to toad, Control V, F4, script. Copy column names, table name, giant condition. You do it today. If you struck, I'll help. Okay.
Specifically, how do you order number and same the way we got it?
That is at line level. Yes. I went.
Range also.
Order you meant to say?
I mean, like you have given a certain format like rows, order number record. So I can change the party name will become first. And
Yeah. The order you can change.
Not order like.
Order you can change. So your doubt is, shall I take edged parties here?
Free.
You can take.
That
Order we can change. No problem.
but format is same only. You can.
You need to follow column name, table name, giant condition.
Yeah.
Then after that, there will be other clauses also like group by, having. Have you seen all this? Order by. These are all the clauses. If I want to arrange order number in a sorting order, descending, ascending, I can use. If I want to calculate how many number of lines for a particular sales order, count of orders we can use. At that time, group by is required. So these other clauses we will see in one query. But right now you have to focus on select class, from class, where class. Okay. You will have a syllabus, SQL, PLSQL. Other trainer is going to teach today onwards. In SQL, we'll see all the joins we use, whatever we discuss, everything will teach from scratch. Other trainer will take it up. So don't worry about this. What is this view and all? This view, first time if you are seeing, definitely you may struggle. But if you take one example, one scenario, you can come to know. SQL class is also important, guys. Don't skip any single class. Everything will be notified in the web channel. So I'm stopping here. Any queries? Online?
No, sir. We have to go through these videos again and again so that we'll
Okay.
be
Now again I'm asking you, how many tables you have used today? I mean to say, what are they?
table.
Sales order table, you will be able to tell me?
Yeah, I mean, customer name, order ID.
For customer.
Sorry.
See, we talked about 3 categories of tables. Item table, customer table,
Table.
and then order table. So again, I'll show you. So these two belongs to customer related tables. And these two belongs to sales order related. And one item is there where we have added item related tables. Somewhere it went. Okay. Item related table, MTL system as B. If you want to display quantity, MTL on hand quantity. Like that it is. Whatever you are displaying here, we'll keep adding column names. The moment you add a column name, table also required to add. See, still if you struggle It's not a big deal, guys. ChatGPT will be there. It is allowed, officially allowed in the company. So simply you can go to Oracle Apps, your version. Okay. Sales order, customer, item, query. That's it. In order management. You have to give properly, then only it will come. That's it. Office you can use, nothing to worry. But blindly, if you copy, you cannot understand. That's why I'm teaching all this. See, whatever I typed, everything is, it has given in a seconds. We are Edasol, Linesol, EdgetCast account, parties, MTLs return. Okay, this is the one I talked about, right? Ship from ArcID. Instead of ArcID, ship from ArcID, you can take it. Join condition. This one we missed in our query. Why sysdate minus 90 is last 3 months data it has. So use ChatGPT, but not in the institute, okay? In the company, you are allowed, no worries. Okay, guys. You can go deeper also, explain each table, what is the purpose. OER headers all stores the header level information. OER lines are line level information. EdgetCast account, customer account, parties, party level. This is item. Okay. Whatever the doubt you get, you use ChatGPT only so before asking me. Fine. Make a habit. Understood? Archana,
Yes, sir.
how about you? Chandan?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay. Here, any doubts? Okay. Focus on these two classes, you will get majority of the idea. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.